Hi friends, welcome back to Sari Science World. K TET പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ അഡോളസെന്റ് സൈക്കോളജി ഒരു മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അഡോളസെന്റ് സൈക്കോളജി നമ്മൾ ടോപ്പിക്സ് എല്ലാം കംപ്ലീറ്റ് കവർ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ ഇനി ആ ടോപ്പിക്സുമായി റിലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഞാനൊരു 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇതിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക, നിങ്ങളുടെ മാർക്സ് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കിടക്കാം. First question, nervousness, fear and inferiority are linked to option A, mistrust in infancy, option B, identity confusion in adolescence, option C, isolation in adulthood, option D, guilt in childhood. Correct answer, option D, guilt in childhood. Next question, according to the cognitive development theories, the child can understand the basic principles of causal thinking and scientific experimentation in a period of option A, infancy, option B, early adolescence, option C, concrete operations, option D, later adolescence. Correct answer, option B, early adolescence. Next question, curriculum should foster the development of problem solving skills through the process of inquiry and discovery. Who is behind this advocacy? Option A, Jerome Bruner, option B, Jean Piaget, option C, Sigmund Freud, option D, Kurt Lewin. Correct answer, option B, Jean Piaget. Next question, ego defense mechanism is option A, a part of ego state that prevents emotional thinking, option B, part of the unconscious that attempts to control unacceptable influences, option C, part of the reflections to reduce psychological barriers, option D, part of the ego state from which it develops. Correct answer, option B, part of the unconscious that attempts to control unacceptable influences. Next question, I don't care attitude of a learner reflects option A, sublimation, option B, aggression, option C, denial, option D, regress. Correct answer, option C, denial. Next question, school readiness skills are developed and most free time is spent playing with friends are major characteristics of option A, infancy, option B, early childhood, option C, early adulthood, option D, late childhood. Correct answer, option B, early childhood. Next question, the psychoanalytic experts explain a phenomenon as an attempt to integrate values learned from parents and society. How do you name it? Option A, ego, option B, sublimation, option C, id, option D, superego. Correct answer, option D, superego. Next question, Piaget's development theory highlights that the children can reason about hypothetical entities in the option A, preoperational stage, option B, sensorimotor stage, option C, formal operational stage, option D, concrete operational stage. Correct answer, option C, formal operational stage. Next question, Jija, who failed in the examination, justified that she failed because her teacher failed to remind her on time about the examination. Jija uses the mental mechanism of option A, projection, option B, regression, Option C, identification. Option D, humor. Correct answer, option A, projection. Next question, which of the following is not a stage of moral development proposed by Kohlberg? Option A, pre-conventional stage. Option B, conventional stage. Option C, formal operational stage. Option D, post-conventional stage. Correct answer, option C, formal operational stage. Next question, a morality matured person is controlled by option A, shame. Option B, praise. Option C, guilt. Option D, fear. Correct answer, option C, guilt. Next question, the individual's personality is the product of option A, maturation and experience. Option B, learning and maturity. Option C, heredity and environment. Option D, nature and learning. Correct answer, option C, heredity and environment. Next question, according to Piaget's sensorimotor stage, the objects continue to exist even when they are hidden from view. This is termed as option A, assimilation. Option B, object permanence. Option C, visualization. Option D, accommodation. Correct answer, option B, object permanence. Next question, Kohlberg's theory is based on option A, psychosocial development. Option B, moral development. Option C, social development. Option D, cognitive development. Correct answer, option B, moral development. Next question, the psychosexual development theory is proposed by option A, Carl Roger. Option B, Freud. Option C, Jung. Option D, Piaget. Correct answer, option B, Freud. Next question, according to Erik Erikson, the psychosocial development stage of adolescence is related to option A, trust versus mistrust. Option B, industry versus inferiority. Option C, ego identity versus role confusion. Option D, initiative versus guilt. Correct answer, option C, ego identity versus role confusion. Next question, according to Piaget, the cognitive process that manages how we take in new information and incorporate that new information into our existing knowledge is option A, accommodation. Option B, assimilation. Option C, shaping. Option D, insight. Correct answer, option B, assimilation. Next question, an unconscious process where painful experience, shameful thoughts, etc. are removed from conscious mind by pushing down them to unconscious mind. Option A, regression. Option B, suppression. Option C, aggression. Option D, repression. Correct answer, option D, repression. Next question, adjustment mechanism in which individual tries to defend himself by blaming others for his own fault is option A, projection. Option B, compensation. Option C, regression. Option D, repression. Correct answer, option A, projection. Next question, which of the following is not a defense mechanism? Option A, reception. option B repression, option C reaction formation, option D rationalization. Correct answer option A reception. Next question, who among the following developed a stage theory of cognitive development? Option A Jerome S. Bruner, option B Jean Piaget, option C Lev Vygotsky, option D David Ausubel. Correct answer option B Jean Piaget. Next question, a type of observation in which the observer becomes the part of the group which he wants to observe. Option A participant observation, option B non-participant observation, option C controlled observation, option D natural observation. Correct answer option A participant observation. Next question, in psychology, projection refers to A. Option A mental disorder, option B teaching method, option C defense mechanism, option D memory technique. Correct answer option C defense mechanism. Next question, the overall changes in all aspects of humans throughout their lifespan is referred as option A maturation, option B motivation, option C learning, option D development. Correct answer option D development. Next question, select the person who stated adolescence is a period of stress and strain, storm and strife. Option A Elizabeth Hurlock, option B Erikson, option C Piaget, option D Stanley Hall. Correct answer option D Stanley Hall. Next question, individual has both positive valence of approximate equal intensity that may cause conflict is known as option A approach conflict, option B approach avoidance conflict, option C avoidance conflict, option D none of the above. Correct answer option A approach conflict. Next question, the ability to think about thinking is known as option A systematic thinking, option B metacognitive thinking, option C abstract thinking, option D introspection. Correct answer option B metacognitive thinking. Next question, select the name who proposed psychosocial theory. Option A Bruner, option B Piaget, option C Erik Erikson, option D Skinner. Correct answer option C Erik Erikson. Next question, the child understands that objects continue to exist even when they cannot be perceived is called option A assimilation, option B self-objectification, option C object constancy, option D object permanence. Correct answer option C option D object permanence. Next question, a student scolded by the headmaster may hit his peers in the school. This is an example of option A displacement, option B regression, option C sublimation, option D projection. Correct answer option A displacement. Next question, Erikson's views proclaim that the central psychological challenges pertaining to adolescence, adulthood and middle age respectively are Option A, identity formation, intimacy, generativity. Option B, intimacy, identity formation, generativity. Option C, generativity, intimacy, identity formation. Option D, intimacy, generativity, identity formation. Correct answer, option A, identity formation, intimacy and generativity. Next question, group members who share beliefs, attitudes, traditions and expectations are named as. Option A, group norms. Option B, group communication. Option C, group cohesiveness. Option D, group structure. Correct answer, option A, group norms. Next question, according to Piaget, conservation and egocentrism corresponds to which of the following? Option A, sensorimotor, formal operational. Option B, formal operational, sensorimotor. Option C, pre-operational, sensorimotor. Option D, concrete operational, pre-operational. Correct answer, option D, concrete operational, pre-operational. Next question, some students are like that. They take position of I don't care attitude. It demonstrates his or her. Option A, denial. Option B, repression. Option C, aggression. Option D, reaction formation. Correct answer, option A, denial. Next question, conflict between adolescents and parents is typically strongest in early adolescence. It may be treated as a healthy aspect of the development of. Option A, autonomy. Option B, attachment. Option C, parenting skills. Option D, dating skills. Correct answer, option A, autonomy. Next question, a student who obtained a low grade in a drawing competition blamed the judges to be biased. Which defense mechanism did he make? Option A, displacement. Option B, regression. Option C, projection. Option D, rationalization. Correct answer, option C, projection. Next question, a boy is assisting his younger sister to learn to read a storybook. Here the boy's behavior could be characterized as. Option A, mentoring. Option B, teaching. Option C, instructing. Option D, scaffolding. Answer, option D, scaffolding. Next question, Fatima is in confusion. She would like to procure a valuable book as a birthday gift to her sweetheart, who is fond of such articles. At the same time, she knows that he is very conservative with money. What type of conflict is she facing? Option A, approach conflict. Option B, approach avoidance conflict. Option C, avoidance conflict. Option D, positive approach. Correct answer, option B, approach avoidance conflict. Next question, Piaget's theory of cognitive development underlines a child can think logically about objects and events as one of the characteristic features of the child development. Which of the following stage marks this development? Option A, sensorimotor. Option B, pre-operational. Option C, concrete operational. Option D, formal operational. Correct answer, option C, concrete operational. Next question, according to Kohlberg, post-conventional moral thought, option A, violates a person's conscience. Option B, reflects norms set by source of authority. Option C is based on satisfying self-interesting. Option D is based on abstract principles like justice. Correct answer, option D, ഈസ് ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ അബ്സ്ട്രാക്ട് പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾസ് ലൈക്ക് ജസ്റ്റിസ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയ സ്കോർ എത്രയെന്ന് പറയുക, കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ ഇടാം കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇതൊന്ന് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. ഇതിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ഡിഫെൻസ് മെക്കാനിസംസ് എന്നാണ്. അതായത് ഞാനൊരു 5-6 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പേഴ്സാണ് നോക്കിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ അതിൽ ഡിഫെൻസ് മെക്കാനിസം എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലും ഉണ്ട്, 1-2 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതൊരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് ടോപ്പിക്കാണ്, നിങ്ങൾ നന്നായി പഠിക്കുക. ഇനി ഞാൻ ലാസ്റ്റ് സിലബസ് മൊത്തം കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഡിഫെൻസ് മെക്കാനിസം ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു. അപ്പോൾ പുതിയ വീഡിയോ ആയി വീണ്ടും കാണാം. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാതെ ആരെങ്കിലും കാണുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്, എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ഞാൻ ഇനി ഇടുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടൂ. താങ്ക് യു.